There are many products available to choose: digital notebooks and smart pens, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best digital notebooks and smart pens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Our favorite. This is one of the most well-known names in the category. The Remarkable 2's matte screen feels like paper, writing on it is quick and responsive, and battery life is exemplary. Wired reviewer Julian Chocotu has been using his Remarkable for more than a year and found it can last for several weeks on a charge. You never have to recharge the stylus, which also magnetically sticks to the side of the tablet. There is also a keyboard attachment, $199 if you want to get some typing done, which is really satisfying to type on and doubles as a notebook cover when the keyboard isn't in use. The keyboard is on the small side, but it's easy to get the hang of. The tablet is $399 and includes the base marker, Remarkable pen, or for an extra $100 you can get the Marker Plus, which has an eraser on the other end. There are many ways to organize your work into different notebooks or quick sheets, and you can sort them with tags and folders. Number 2. Kobo Elipsa. Kobo makes some of our favorite e-readers, and this combines reading with note-taking. The Elipsa is pricey, but it comes with a stylus that allows you to mark up ebooks and compatible PDFs. If you're an English major who has to read multiple books a semester, this might be a great option for you to easily keep track of notes. Plus, you can create numerous notebooks like the other tablets here. We also liked the marking interface better on Kobo than on Kindles, if you're debating which platform to choose. Pro tip, you can check out ebooks from your local library for free if you have a library card. There is a new Kobo e-reader out that offers some new features and a better price. The Kobo Libra Color $220 is waterproof and has new colorful options to highlight and write in the margins, but you'll need to purchase the Kobo Stylus $270 separately. We're testing it soon and will update this guide soon with our notes. Number 3. Remarkable Paper Pro. If you prefer your notes to be color-coded, then the Remarkable Paper Pro 7/10 Wired recommends is the digital notebook you need. It has everything we like about the Remarkable 2 but adds a few cool new features like colorful pen options and a gentle built-in screen light that uses ambient light from the room. It's got an 11.8-inch screen, making it an extra 1.5 inches bigger than the Remarkable 2. It's especially handy if you're taking notes or writing down ideas somewhere a little dark, like a dimmed classroom or on a late flight. Like the Remarkable 2, it's easy to organize your notes in various ways, from different notebooks to tags and folders. It's easy to access notes off the device too, especially if you have Remarkable Connect subscription $3 per month for unlimited cloud storage. If you're already a Remarkable user, you'll unfortunately need to upgrade to all new accessories. Number 4. Boox Note Air C. Boox makes great e-ink tablets for taking notes, but the operating system is a little slower and less intuitive to navigate. Writing with the Note Air 3's stylus felt similar to the above two picks, feeling natural and surprisingly similar to pen and paper. There are two versions of the tablet. The standard Air 3 $400 has a monochrome screen, while the Air 3C $500 has a muted colored screen. Opening apps and starting up the device isn't quite as fast as I'd like it to be, and it takes a little getting used to Boox's Android system. Definitely read through the user manual, because there are functions and gestures you can learn to make the process easier. There are a bunch of apps available so you can read ebooks, check your emails, or browse your favorite newspaper. If you're looking for something with a nice variety of capabilities, the Book has it. You just have to be willing to learn your way around it. Number 5. Iskn Repaper Graphic Tablet. You can take notes with Repaper as easily as with the other items on this list, but I think artists will enjoy easily digitizing their work, especially those just getting started. It's cheaper than an iPad. Repaper uses a tablet and magnetized rings to automatically digitize notes as you work on real, physical paper. Any properly sized paper will work. If it's bigger than the tablet, you won't get an accurate digital version, as will any writing utensil that fits a Repaper ring. The Repaper Studio app shows your work in real time if you want it to. That's especially handy if you want to draw directly on the tablet with the included stylus and not use paper, or if you're sharing your screen via Zoom for class. If not, you can finish and upload your creation later. You can download shareable time-lapse videos too. It's not without its faults, and I occasionally found it to be buggy when switching between pens. But overall, I was impressed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.